wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best guitars for beginners. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. For children who have problems with follow-through, the Best Choice Products full 41-inch acoustic is probably a smart choice. It's cheap enough not to hurt you if they decide to take up martial arts instead, and it has just enough quality to last if they stick it out. It includes useful accessories and has an attractive blue finish. However, this one's not the easiest to play. At number 9, if you already have your own selection of spare picks, straps and other accessories that you can spare for the new guitarist in your life, then all they need is the Jasmine S35, which is as cost-effective an option as you're likely to find. It's made with agarthis wood on the back and sides and a synthetic bone nut, but the action is often set too high. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Fender Acoustic Bundle comes with an effective electronic tuner that easily clips onto the headstock, where it reads your tuning by the vibrations it feels. The package is designed to get you playing as quickly as possible. It delivers great tone for the price and includes an instructional DVD. However, there's only 20 playable frets. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Guitars for Beginners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, fans of Clapton and Hendrix will undoubtedly want to start their careers on a Strat, and the Fender Squier Stratocaster pack is one of the least expensive ways to do so. It includes everything from a solid portable amplifier to a DVD set of lessons. The scale is shortened for small hands, and it comes with a strap and picks, but it really needs a case to be complete. Moving up our list to number 6. The Yamaha FG830 Solid Top is a reliable mid-range acoustic that's suitable for new players who are serious about their studies. It doesn't have any pickups or other fancy add-ons, but it's one of the better sounding options for its price point. It's equipped with Sitka spruce wood on the top and an adjustable truss rod. However, the hardware is low quality. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Yamaha APX 503 Thinline Cutaway Acoustic-Electric boasts both a convenient cutout to make reaching the top frets much easier, as well as a piezo-style pickup under the saddle that you can control with its 3-band equalizer. It also includes a built-in chromatic tuner and is available in 4 color options, but the tone is somewhat thin. At number 4, many teachers believe that new students should start out on as traditional an instrument as possible, and the Cordoba C3M Classical is just that. It's a nylon string option with a large body and a thick neck, so mastering it will make playing anything else seem easier. The bridge and fingerboard are rosewood, however there are no fret inlays to mark your position, and it may be discouragingly hard for some. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Potential players who know they want to start out with an electric that they won't have to replace as soon as they get halfway decent at their craft should look to the Fender Squier Affinity Telecaster. Its pair of pickups provide a wide array of tones. This is a very lightweight option with a neck that plays very fast. It's available in blonde or antique burst. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Guitars for Beginners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, new players who need to save a little money and still get their hands on a complete package will appreciate the Yamaha Gigmaker Standard. The included DVD teaches students the basic tenets of tuning and maintaining their instrument. It comes with a soft gig bag for transport, a strap that's easy to attach, and a lifetime warranty. And coming in at number 1 on our list, made by Gibson, the Epiphone Les Paul Standard is one of the most reliable electrics on the market, with a neck that's easy to play on and a beautiful metallic gold finish. This package includes a small Marshall combo amp that can actually get pretty loud. It also comes with a 5-foot Hosa cable, Alnico classic humbuckers, and a rosewood fretboard. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Guitars for Beginners, or simply click beneath this video.